Hi, this is Navya. Here there is a syllabus for the pharmacology subject. This is for the second year students. And also in the previous videos, I've already covered chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3 and also have been uploaded. And if you're not watched it, I'll just drop a link in the description box so that you can watch in the later. So in this video, I'll be taking a class for the chapter 4. That is the adverse drug reaction, ADR. So it deals with the three topics, that is the definition with the types, and also we'll be discussing about the hypersensitivity reaction under this ADE and the treatments. What are the treatments have been initialized for this, and nephrotoxic drug. What are those nephrotoxic drugs? So let's start the class. Fourth chapter, adverse drug reaction. In this video, as I already discussed about the syllabus, so here we'll be discussing the definition and types. So under this, the classification we are going to discuss here. Classification through, that is, it has classified according to the cause, that is a reason. Other is the severity. So this cause again, it comes under type A and type B. And seriousness, this comes under the serious issue, serious condition, seriousness. And other concept is the adverse drug effect. So here we are going to discuss on the types of the effects. That types comes under the dose related issue, dose related, and allergic issues, allergic. And the last concept, that is the idiosyncratic issues. Yeah, these three issues we'll be discussing. And then the next concept is the hypersensitivity. Hypersensitivity stages. We are going to discuss the stages in the sense it is sensitization, effects, then the types, and also we will discuss about the treatments. And the final concept is about the nephrotoxic drug. Yeah, so let us start one by one. So the adverse drug reaction, this is nothing but the side effect. The side effects caused while we are consuming the drug, while the drugs are consumed. So this adverse drug reaction, this is an injury that is caused by taking a medication, This medication, it may be the medication may be the single dose or the combination of two or more drugs at the same time. The combination of two or more drugs in the same time. And the study of this adverse drug reaction, the study of this is also known as pharmacovigilance. This is the ADE, adverse drug event. This is referred to the injury. So at the time of the drug is used, whether it may be caused due to the drug, or maybe the body which is not balancing the antibodies which is not affecting to that particular drug. So this is a very harmful and it may result in the vomitation. So totally this is meaning is nothing but the side effect that has been caused from the drug when we are consuming maybe the single dose or the combination of two or more medications we are consuming in the same at the same time. Coming to the classification, so this classification is under it has been classified based on the cause and the severity. Cause is nothing but the reason, and severity is the danger, how danger or how the serious has been caused from the drug. So in the cause, so let us know about the cause, that is a reason. So in this it is categorized as a type A and the type B. Okay, let us know the type A. Under this type A, this has been resembled as the augmented pharmacological effect. So this depend on the dose, and it is predictable. It is not just like unpredictable, it is a predictable. The reason is that any medicine, if you intake any medicine, it is predictable. Predictable in the sense the side effect from the medicine, it may happen. Maybe the a common prediction is nothing but the headache. The more medication of the drug, it may also leads to headache. And this type A. Another example is that the bleeding when using the anticoagulant varfarin tablets. Maybe the chances, and the nausea. One of the example is the nausea when the highly consumable of the drug. And I already said this type A is completely about the dose related issue, dose dependent issue. It will be not that much serious or the severe. It will be in a mild condition, low, not that much serious. And this may cause due to the inappropriate drug. If the person consumes inappropriate drug, the symptoms may occur unknowingly when the drug is eliminated is impaired. And this is side effects. And coming to type B, this type B came after this type 1 as introduced. So this came into proposed in the year 1970. Coming to the second classification, that is the seriousness. This seriousness is nothing but the danger. It's like, for example, if a patient take a tablet that is for the headache tablet, this headache tablet, usually all tablets will be having a less side effects, but in this issue like in the headache tablet, the side effect may be the weak. If this side effect is happen to this headache drug tablet, then this is okay. In the case where they manufacture the medicine for the headache, but this headache may give the side effect for the kidney. So this is a serious issue. This is a serious issue. This is a serious condition of the patient, because it is designed, it is manufactured for the headache purpose, but it is giving side effect for the kidney. This may go to the life-threatening condition, and also maybe death. This is the serious condition, serious issue from the drug what the classification has been classified. So in the seriousness, this seriousness, this comes under the US Food and Drug Administration, the Department Food and Drug Administration. This defines the serious effects of the drug, serious adverse effect of the drug when the patient consumes. When the patient consume, the patient may get these type of serious issues like the death. First is the most complex issue is the death, and other is a life threatening, as I earlier said, life threatening, and hospitalization. Hospitalization in the sense a simple medication which is for the headache, it may cause a great issue, great effect for the body, that may leads for the hospitalization for the several weeks, a month of a simple headache tablet. So these are the issues that is controlling by the US Food and Drug Administration. These are the serious condition. They decide this tablet is, this belongs to this category, I mean the serious severity conditions. Other serious issues are disability. This is a permanent change or the impairment, damage, or the disruptions in the patient body. In the patient body, sudden disability. So patient body, this affects in the quality of their life. Affects in the quality of their life. And other severe issues is that the congenital abnormality, and as I already said, headache may cause intense pain that may lead to kidney or the heart. Yeah, so these are the serious issues. And the next topic coming to adverse drug effects. Adverse So these are the unwanted effects. These are the unwanted effects of a drug. These are the unwanted effects of a drug, and there are 3 divisions. So this may cause this adverse drug effect. This may cause due to the dose related issues. It may cause by the dose related and allergic issues, and the third is the idiosyncratic issue. So these are the 3 type of issues of the adverse drug effect. So let us know one by one. So let us know the first concept, that is the drug. That is the dose related issue. Dose related. So under this dose related, this may cause, for example, if a person is taking a drug, if a person is taking a drug, the reason is that to reduce high BP, high blood pressure. Yeah. So the drug is designed for the person to reduce the high BP pressure. But in some case, if the drug it may reduce completely low. If it reduce completely low, again this becomes a problem. This affects a body. It is completely correct, but it's going too low. Not to the some extent, it is going completely low. So this is one of the issues. And another example is that if a person with a diabetic, so he is developing in the weakness. This is his symptoms: weakness, sweating. A diabetic patient is suffering in the weakness, in the sweating. These are the symptoms of him, and nausea. So now he is facing these type of issues. Now he has to go for the drug, for the medicines. So he will take a drug to reduce the blood sugar level. So what happens if the drug may cause, if we reduce too much low, again it is a problem. So that's how this is related to the dose. And it may go sudden high or sudden low. So both are in a problem, both are danger. It may also occur if the drug dose is too much of high. If the drug is too much of high, then it will be high dosage. So it works based on the dosage related. If the drug dose is too high, it causes overdosage, and if it is low, it will be the problem. And this is common for all the drugs. The same issues as being common. And the second issue is that allergic issues, allergic drug reaction. This is not related to the dose, but it required with a prior exposure to the drug. It related to the drug, but not the dosage. It related to the drug issues. So this allergic reaction, this allergic reaction, this develop when the body immune system, this immunity system, this develop an inappropriate reactions. Sometimes it referred to as sensitization. So after the person is sensitized, then the later exposure to the drug may produce one or several different types of allergic reaction. The common allergic reaction is nothing but the skin test. So he has to go for the skin test. The common allergy comes through from the skin, through the skin. So he has to go for the skin test. This is not severe, but it's also a common. Some drug may be adjustable for some patients, but not for all. It also depends on the immunity. It depends on that. So it may cause some damage for some effects for the patients. And the third type is that idiosyncratic effect. Adverse drug reaction. So this is unpredictable. This is unpredictable. And examples like rashes on the skin, some medicine may also lead to the rashes, but it is unpredictable. It is not same to all the patients, but it is safe to some patients. So rashes, jaundice, anemia, and decrease in the blood cell count. Also maybe kidney damage, nerve injury, also nerve injury, maybe hearing problem. So these are the common examples under this adverse drug reaction. So these reactions tend to be more serious, but typically occur in very small number of the people, very few people, I already said. And this affected people may have genetic differences in the way their body metabolism or the response to the drug. So totally the adverse effect is harmful. It is in harm that occurs in the patients, while they are taking a drug, So irrespective of the drug is suspectable to be the cause or not, if the person take a drug irrespective of the situation to the cause, then definitely these side effects will be affected by them. So this side effect is definitely, it will harm the body. So the drug toxicity also one of the problem I'll be discussing here now. Yeah, so the next concept is the drug toxicity. So this drug toxicity, this describes the adverse effects of the drug. So this is because maybe the dosage problem or the plasma concentration of the patient. Either unintentionally or intentionally overdosage. So through this, the toxicity may happen. And drug abuse. There are one more word to be known, the drug abuse. This drug abuse is nothing but the misuse of the drugs. So this may lead to addiction. Drug abuse in the sense the addiction. It may lead to the addiction or the dependency of the same drug to be taken at the same time. This also results in the serious injury such as damage in the kidney and the liver, heart. So damage in the kidney, liver, heart. This is also very harmful. Addiction is nothing but a simple headache tablet. If the patient is consuming every day, it may be one of the issue. The next concept is the hypersensitivity. So hypersensitivity, this is the condition that cause an harmful for the immune system. So the immune system will be harmful from this, harmful effect from the immune system. This may be due to the allergy. This allergy is example from the food or the animal dander, and autoimmune disease Autoimmune disease is nothing but an abnormal immunological response that is directed against an antigen. This is directed against an antigen that is actually a part of the body itself. This antigen. So the antigen is nothing but this. It gives a way. It binds the path to the particular organ, the particular thing, particular organ to be flow and easily. So whatever the drug, whatever the substance, it makes the substance to reach to the particular organ level. This,